Welcome to Neve's Beauty Bar and Salon. I'm Miss Neve, the owner of Neve's Beauty Bar and Salon, and I'm coming to you today to invite you out. It's the new year, 2020, and we want to invite you to come and get a complete makeover here at Neve's Beauty Bar and Salon. We're located in Austell, Georgia, just a suburb of Atlanta, Georgia. You can go online and book your experience at nbeautybar.com. You can also book on all social media platforms. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Neve's Beauty Bar. Some people ask, what does Neve mean? Neve is simply heaven spelled backwards. So whenever you see Neve's Beauty Bar, you automatically know you will be having a heaven experience here because hence our name, Neve's Beauty Bar. I'm Miss Neve, and again, I can be found on social media as well at Miss Neve's with an S on the end. And again, I'd love to invite you out to our 2020 Fall Complete Makeover session here, and I hope to see you, your best friend, and your best friend's best friend. Until next time, go online, book your experience at nbeautybar.com.